Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode, the star of the day is Mr. Halibut. Super tasty, super delicate, shortly speaking, super fish. And it will be done as a fish burger. Yes! But first, as usual, I would like to present all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious stuff. Mesdames et messieurs, je voudrais présenter Monsieur Halibut, which needs panko. So, first, flour. Yes, flour. Now, egg. Beautiful. And now, breadcrumbs. Beautiful. Let's check the temperature of the oil. Sounds perfect. So now our beautiful halibut is landing on the frying pan. Super fish is ready and is landing in paper towel. Yeah, voila. Salt, freshly ground pepper. Okay, let's change the equipment. If you want to have perfect bun, use butter. Okay. To make dressing, I need yogurt and this stuff. This is Ivar from Croatia, mix of peppers, aubergine and tomatoes. Really unique taste, fantastic flavor. Okay. Magical flavor. Fantastic. Okay, dressing is ready, bun is ready, fish is waiting. Let's make this super burger. Amigos, extremely delicious super fish burger is landing on the table. Bon appétit! Oui, bon appétit, bon appétit! Am I in heaven now? This is Taste of Paradise. Simple.